everyone and welcome to Fashionable Nari. My name is Garima. Today I'm here to share a quick mini review of this Insta hair curler that I bought yesterday. So if you know me or if you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I've always kept my hair pretty straight and long. I really wanted to go through a hair transformation and I wanted to try something else as well. I don't wanted to cut my hair and I don't wanted to even color my hair, to be very honest. So the options were very limited for me. I thought let me try from straight to curly and how it looks. So this is one product that I went and I saw it. I saw it on Nykaa and it was 4.5 rated, and I thought that it's pretty good because 4.5 is a great rating, to be very honest. And apart from that, it is for only 650 rupees. So I actually bought it off Amazon because Amazon was giving it free shipping, and I just thought why not. So this is how the product looks like. It comes in a very basic packaging, as you can see.
So this is how the outer packaging of this product looks like. It comes in a very basic cardboard box. It has all the information related to the product written on the cardboard box. Apart from this, it also comes with a manual and a warranty card. So it comes with 360-degree swivel cord that comes with pretty much every hairstyling tool. It also has an LED indicator light.
So this curling iron only comes with two settings. Basically it is on and it is off. So you cannot really manage the heat setting that you would want to do it on your hair. So if you have thin hair, probably this is not going to be the best product for you. But I do have very thick and strong hair, so I think that my hair will be able to manage this. Now let's see how this product performs and how it will turn my straight hair into curly hair.
Now here I was talking about that I am going to comb my hair and then make them into sections, and then I will start curling my hair. I personally don't use any heat protective serum or spray in my hair because I don't do a lot of heat styling on regular basis. But if you have thin hair or if your hair get damaged very quickly with minimum styling, definitely add some sort of protective product before moving on with the styling process. So while I was curling my hair, there are a few things that I noticed and a few things that I wanted to tell you about the product. So this hair curler gets heated up very quickly, it probably took around 10 seconds for it to get to the maximum heat. If you have long hair, longer than mine, then you will definitely need more time and patience. So it took me approximately an hour to curl my entire hair. I kept my hair wrapped around the tongue for about 15 to 20 seconds. You can hold the cool tip to keep the tool sturdy. And it does hurt your bicep. Maybe this happened only with me because I really don't have a habit of curling my hair that often. Apart from this product comes with 2 years of warranty. So in case if you feel that the product is not working fine or anything of that sort, it's definitely good to go back to the brand and you can claim your warranty. Now because of this small barrel, it gives you more like noodle types of curls. This product will perform way better on medium hair length.
get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it's like
So this is how finally my hair looks like. I did tight curls, but then I end up kind of opening them a little bit using my fingers, and I think that I kind of like them. I'm really not sure about how exactly I feel about it. Like, do I like curly hair or not? That's still debatable. This curler did a pretty great job. Like you can see, my hair looks pretty nice, pretty curl, and for the price that you're paying, I think that this is a product that you can definitely consider buying. And yeah, like it's only for 650 rupees. It does the job and it's great for travel as well, because it's not very heavy when it comes to keeping in your bag and traveling with it. It has a nice long cord also. So if you're looking for a simple product in budget that can curl your hair like a pro, then definitely this is the product to go for. I will approve this. Like out of 5 star, I will definitely give this 4.5 star. This is a star product, and for the price that you're paying, it just
can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever.
So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Fashionable Nari for more such videos. Till then, I'm Garima signing off today. See you in my next video. Bye bye.